how to download Exness on iPhone. Open up the App Store, then click on your profile icon in the top right, and then select your Apple ID. Once you have clicked on it, you will need to change your country or region to Qatar. So here, just search for Qatar and click on it. Now select continue. You will need to agree to the terms and service, and we will select for payment method none. The street is going to be Doha. Here the city is going to be Doha. The country, we will select Doha as well, and you will need to type your phone number as well. So I'm just going to do that. 789 and 0. I'm going to click on done. Now once you do this, then it's going to update your country, and we want to click on done. Here, if we search for Exness, just like that, you will see the application. You can open it up and you can select get to download it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.